Are you looking for the best antifreeze testers? In this video, we will break down the top 5 antifreeze testers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. MTools 24507. The MTools 24507 is a no-frills antifreeze tester that lets you test antifreeze solutions most simply. It works on any ethylene glycol-based antifreeze. The plastic material of the tester is immune to thermal changes. For this reason, you can expect the MTools 24057 to measure boiling and freezing temperatures with utmost accuracy. MTools is not a newcomer in the garage equipment scene. Many mechanics put their trust in MTools products because of their impeccable quality. This antifreeze tester is not an exception in that regard. The MTools 24507 has a transparent barrel with both Celsius and Fahrenheit markings, so both US and non-US users can use it without facing any measurement difficulties. The MTools 24507 fits all the benchmarks you would look for in the most accurate antifreeze tester. It remains unaffected by temperature fluctuations. Therefore, it guarantees reliable readings all the time. The tester features an easy-to-apprehend floating disk system. Look at the location of the disks and read the corresponding markings on the tester tube to learn about the current state of the mixer. At number 2. PreSown AF1420. PreSown Antifreeze Coolant Tester is a professional do-it-yourself tester that easily tests for antifreeze anti-boil protection. Allows visual inspection for rust and sediment. It is important to maintain your antifreeze coolant at the proper concentration to provide good corrosion protection, as well as prevent freeze-ups and boil-overs. This tester provides a quick and easy method to safely collect a sample and measure coolant concentration. It also allows a visual inspection of the antifreeze while you test it. This is a low-cost way to check the condition of the antifreeze coolant in your vehicle. At number 3. ABN Deluxe Antifreeze and Coolant Tester. On the product itself, it says rapid test, because in just relatively a few minutes, you can already determine if the antifreeze coolant is still of good quality or needs to be flushed out. Before your antifreeze coolant freezes up in winter or boils over in summer, you will have known well in advance if you regularly use this ABN branded Deluxe tester, which is a clear capsule. Aside from being a reliable antifreeze coolant tester because of its sensitive pointers, it can be used as a tester for the freezing point of your windshield water reservoir. The pointers are convenient for the user compared to standard coolant test strips because there is no need to concentrate on the color or pH balance to determine the freeze and boiling points of your solution. On one side is the freeze point scale, and on the other side is the boiling point scale. It reads in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, and is compatible with all ethylene glycol coolants. Its clear capsule allows you to do a visual inspection of the antifreeze for dirt, rust and other sediments which might have infiltrated it. With regards to sucking out the sample coolant, this tester makes it easy for you because of its large rubber bulb and 5.5-inch long rubber tube which facilitates convenient sucking of the liquid into its plastic reservoir. It has easy-to-read instructions on the stickers unlike other testers which don't have any instructions at all. At number 4. Texan THE106 Antifreeze Tester. Texan THE106 is one of the best-selling antifreeze testers in the market. It is a disc-type tester that gives you fairly accurate results over a wide range of temperatures. It has a 6-disc system. For water, only 1 disc will float. In a 1-1 solution, 4 discs will stay afloat, and in an antifreeze-only scenario, all 6 of the discs will float. So, when you see no submerged discs, it means you need to dilute the solution. The Texan THE106 is an antifreeze tester aimed at ethylene glycol antifreeze agents. It has a neoprene dip tube that enables it to draw more liquid. Not to mention, it's unbelievably heavy-duty. Also, the tester reads in Celsius and Fahrenheit simultaneously. The Texan THE106 chose to leave the imperial versus metric system debate open. Hence, they opted for both Celsius and Fahrenheit markings on the tester. The floating disk system is very easy to understand. More floating discs indicate a higher concentration of antifreeze, When all 6 discs float, it interprets as overprotection. You will have to use the tester at various temperatures. To keep the readings unaffected by thermal changes, the Texan THE106 comes equipped with temperature compensation attributes. At number 5. Smartsmith Antifreeze Refractometer. Last on our list of the best antifreeze testers is this Smartsmith tool, which is an optical device that measures the freezing point of engine coolant. Because of that qualification, we recommend this tool only if you live in an area that experiences freezing temperatures for a significant portion of the year. Smartsmith's refractometer works using the principle of refraction to gauge the condition of the antifreeze in your engine. After placing a few drops of coolant on the tool's daylight plate, you can look through the eyepiece, in which you'll see a measurement of the fluid's freezing point. Though we're highlighting this tool's usefulness for monitoring your cooling system's condition, you can also use it to check your vehicle's battery by similarly dropping a small amount of fluid from it onto the Smartsmith's daylight plate. Interestingly, if you make your own beer, wine, or honey, you can even use Smartsmith's tool to determine when they are ready for consumption.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.